Hello everyone, I am Sayonara Teleslar, Member Secretary for Goa State Legal Services Authority. I'm here at IFI along with my team to spread the awareness in respect of legal services. So many people have asked us, why have we set up this stall at IFI? What is the connection we have with IFI? Yes, we do have a connection. First of all, you must be aware that the contracts, agreements are signed by the film directors, by the persons connected with the film industry, and many times these contracts and agreements are not honored. And if it is not settled by themselves, it lands in the court. So there are ways, rather than rushing to the court, to settle your matters. We have the alternate disputes redressal forums where the matters can be settled before they go to court. That is what we say the pre-litigation cases. So you don't rush to the court immediately, but you try out the pre-litigation centers like the Lok Adalat and mediation. In mediation, what happens is normally within 60 days your cases get settled. And if you require more time, we can throw in another 30 days, and by 90 days your cases are settled. And if they are not settled, then of course it goes to the court, or you can file a suit. Now, many of you may not know it, that we have the Commercial Courts Act. And in the Commercial Courts Act, it is mandatory that you go in for pre-litigation settlement. That is why people need to know about this, and we are creating this awareness. Now also, people need to know who are entitled for legal aid. The legal services institutions offer legal aid services to persons who fall under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act. And who are these people? They are the women, child, industrial workmen, victims of trafficking, mentally challenged in Goa, for those whose annual income is less than 3 lakhs. Now here at IFI, there will be some women film directors, women actresses, and so on and so forth connected with the films. If they have disputes, then they should be aware that they are entitled to free legal services. The status doesn't matter whether you come from a higher hierarchy or from the lower rung. Just being a woman, you are entitled for free legal aid. So basically, we are here to spread awareness in respect of the legal services, in respect of the programs that we do and what we have to offer you. We have got some flyers here, which we also distribute to the visitors to our stall. Now, besides Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act, where legal services are offered, I would also like to say that we have impaneled advocates who are deputed to attend to the cases of the people who approach us for legal aid. Then we also have the NALSA schemes, that is the National Legal Services Authority. Their schemes are for the paralegal volunteers, for children, for the tribal people, for senior citizens, for victims of disaster, for drugs, victims of drug trafficking. So, we have these type of schemes, and we try to reach out to the people by paralegal volunteers. We have paralegal volunteers with us, and these paralegal volunteers, they go out on the field, they help people write out the applications, assist them in settling their matters, help us in arranging programs. So, we are reaching out to all sections of the society with various legal subjects. Then the Goa State Legal Services Authority, we also have the YouTube channel where we upload various laws and we generate the awareness to the people. We have got a good response here. People do come because people are curious. They want to know why we have set up a stall, a legal services stall at EFI. So people are a little curious to know. But when they do come here and we explain to them the purpose of setting up the stall and what are the benefits, they are really happy about it, and they really are, their knowledge gets enhanced, and they can also create this awareness and spread it around. Because we need to reach out to a lot many people, especially those who are come from remote places, those who are coming from far. So this is a good place where we can generate the awareness. And also I would like to say that these legal services institutions are available in all the courts in Goa, and legal services institutions are also set up in the rest of the country. So like how we have the Goa State Legal Services Authority, there is the Maharashtra State Legal Services Authority, the Gujarat State Legal Services Authority. So in the whole country we are connected with this network. Then in Goa we have also put up informative boards at the post offices in Panaji and Margaon for the time being. Shortly we are going to expand and place such informative boards in respect of the legal services in the rest of the post offices in Goa. Also, we have made available application forms and the necessary flyers and pamphlets so that people can go through them and they are aware that these are available for them, that these services are available to them. Like for example, we have at the police stations a full list of the advocates who are available. So any person can walk in and ask them for the list. There is also, it is displayed in each and every police station who are the advocates who are available. So anybody who is in distress, who requires some advice or requires to file some application, they can always approach the police station and get their numbers there. Then also we have got paralegal volunteers who sit and assist them there. Only except for the pandemic where things had slowed down, they weren't there. But now everything is going back to normal, so we are having the assistance of PLVs also. Yeah, now here for example we have this know your rights about arrest and detention. So whenever somebody is arrested and all, they would really like to know what is to be done, where to go, what are their rights, whom to approach. So everything is contained in this. See, this is a pamphlet which we have here, and we distribute it to the people. So everything is there, like arrest and detention. What do you mean by under trial prisoners? Then do the police need a warrant to make an arrest? What is a cognizable offense? Everything is here. So this is very helpful to the people. We have also another one. This is another one which we have got here. Legal services and Lok Adalat. So people need to know, which I've just spoken about some time back, about the legal services and the Lok Adalat. What is the Lok Adalat? There is a panel of 3. There is a sitting judge, or there are retired judges who sit on the panel along with a social worker and an advocate. The matters are discussed by the parties, and when it is settled, an award is passed. And these awards are recognized by the courts. So we have like this. Then we have got also another here. This is a booklet, a handbook on laws relating to women. So it has covered the topics of domestic violence, crimes against women, section 125, custody, maintenance, So everything is there. And we are handing out these books to the visitors to our stall. So in this way we are creating this awareness and making people aware that, okay, you have these rights. If you have any problem, you definitely come and approach us. We have got advocates to help you out. Then, as I've spoken, the paralegal volunteers, they assist to get the Aadhaar cards, senior citizens cards. Then we have also opened legal aid clinics where we have the paralegal volunteers, law college students who come there, who spend their time with the people. We have in Goa Medical College. We have set up these legal aid clinics in old age homes, in the panchayats, in the municipalities. So we have got also the solid waste management. We have got certain PLVs there who dedicate themselves to seeing that the black spots are cleared off if thrown. We give the awareness about the black spots, how to segregate your waste at home. Basically, you started from home, segregation of waste, because that is a big problem today. So we are covering many aspects, and we have different resource people who come and give the talks. Recently we had the Pan India awareness campaign, which was from 2nd of October to 14th of November. We had many programs done to generate awareness. We went to the beaches, we went to the interiors of Goa, we conducted painting competitions, we conducted essay competitions. So we had students from the colleges participating, doing a flash mob. So like this, we involve ourselves in many things. Like, I would like to tell the people of Goa that we are available for you all. Only thing is that you need to walk up to us, and if there are people who require such legal aid services, please see that you send them to us. And these services are available in each and every court in Goa, that is at taluka level, at district level, and at the high court level. And even if you want to approach to the Supreme Court, if you fall under those categories, you approach us, we will take care of that. Justice at your doorstep, access to justice. We are connecting to serve the people who need us. We wish you a happy Ifi from Goa State.